Hazrat Moosa radiyallahu anha said, water was set out for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to take a bath due to janabat, state which necessitates bath. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam poured water with his right hand on his left hand twice or thrice. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his private parts. Afterwards, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck, rubbed his hand on the ground or wall twice or thrice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter gargled and sniffed water up into the nose. Moreover, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his face and forearms. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam poured water on his head. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got aside and washed his feet. She said, I gave him a piece of cloth, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not accept it and wiped his body with his hand. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 274.